Hi, this is Sumit from Easy with Code, and I welcome you to this video where we create a website for free with DotTK and Hostinger. You'll get to know what these two things are in the next couple of minutes. So what do you need? You need a valid email address and you need an internet connection. That's it. So the first step in creating a website is to buy a domain, which will be like .com or .co.in or .us. Now these domains are paid domains. There are certain free domains also like .tk, .co.nr, etc. So we'll be using .tk to create our website for free. The next thing is to buy an hosting. We'll be using Hostinger to host our web files. And then finally, we have to map the domain to the hosting. So domain is like a name for the website and hosting is where actually the file resides. So whenever you will be creating a website, basically you will be going through all these three steps. So that's it. Let's jump right in. So now I will quickly sign in to my Gmail. And I'll open up a new tab. I'll open Google here and I'll search for .tk. So I'll click this link, find a new free domain, and I'll search here for the name of my website like Sumit blog, and I'll check the availability. So .tk is available. I'll click on get it now and I'll click checkout. So now I'll be redirected to the Freenom website. Here what I'll do is I'll change my duration to 12 months and I'll hit continue and I'll click Google Plus sign in to quickly sign in into my account. Once I'm signed in, I need to click I've read the terms and conditions and I need to click place order. Now I've successfully created a domain. So now I'll open Google and search for Hostinger. And I'll open this hostinger.in website. Now I'll click on this get started button and I'll select the free version and I'll click order. Once I have that hosting in cart, I'll click checkout now. So I'll click create new account and I'll sign up with Google. I'll click allow here and then I'll check this I agree with terms and conditions and I'll complete the order. Now I've created the hosting and the domain. Now the only part which is left is to map the domain and the hosting. So I'll go to the setup and I'll give my domain name as Sumit, which I've given here. I'll go to my client area. I'll sign in with my account and I'll go to services, my domains. I'll click on manage domain. I'll copy my domain name from here and I'll paste it in the domain area. I'll choose the region as Europe and I'll give the password and I'll hit setup. So now I'll click hosting and I'll see that my domain is active. I need to go to manage and it says a warning that our domain is not pointing, which means our mapping is not complete. So what we need to do is we need to go to the details and we have to copy these name servers. We need to go to the free norm page. Under management tools, we need to click the name servers and use custom name server. Here we have to update our name servers of to that of the Hostinger. So I'll copy these name servers and I'll update them here. I'll click change name servers. Now it says changes saved successfully. So my name servers are now updated to Hostinger. Now if I go and reload my page, so it might take around 15-20 minutes for your mapping to be live. So now my mapping is live. It has been around 20 minutes, and when I click on my website, it says sumitblog.tk and my account has been created. So there it is. I've created my website. If you are a PHP programmer, you need to go to details and you need to check this FTP link, which you can use with softwares like FileZilla to connect to and upload your files. But for now, what I'll be doing is I'll be setting this as a WordPress blog. So I'll be going to my dashboard and I'll go to auto installer, which is which is here. So there are tons of applications here. I'll search for WordPress and I'll hit. So I'll give this my password for WordPress. I'll give my website title. So it's blog, a tagline. I don't have a tagline as of now, so I'll hit install. So now the installation request is submitted successfully, and in next couple of minutes my WordPress site will get installed. So my website will be down for some time, and now my website is up with Sumit's blog. Now this is the default WordPress template. What I can do now is go to WordPress. I can hit details, and this is where my admin URL is. So I'll click that admin URL. I'll give my username and password. So there is my WordPress dashboard. So I'll go to post and I'll click add new post. So I'll write my new post. This post was updated on 9th of Feb 2017, and I'll hit publish. Once I hit publish, I come here, my post has come. This is the default post that comes with WordPress. I can go ahead and change some themes in appearance and install new WordPress themes. So now I've changed the theme, and when I hit reload, the theme is changed. So there is it. We have created our own website. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe.